Wait, ChatGPT just made me money? For real? So everyone's talking about this AI thing, ChatGPT, but can you actually make real money with it here in Kenya? Not theory, not hype. I wanted receipts. So I spent 7 days testing real ways Kenyans can use ChatGPT, and one of them actually worked. Stick around, I'll show you how I did it step by step. I've seen so many TikToks and YouTube shorts saying use ChatGPT to get rich, but no one shows proof. So I decided to test it the Kenyan way: phone, data bundles, and vibes. My first test was simple. I used ChatGPT to help me write Instagram captions and blog posts for small businesses. I DM'd 10 Kenyan entrepreneurs offering to write captions for 300 Kenyan shillings each. Only 3 replied, but one called and paid in 2 hours. ChatGPT gave me the ideas. I just added Kenyan slang and personality. Boom, easy 900 Kenyan shillings. Next, I used ChatGPT plus Canva to design digital posters for a friend's bakery. I told ChatGPT to write a catchy poster text for cupcakes in Nairobi, and it gave me fire ideas. After designing, I sold 2 posters for 500 Kenyan shillings each. Lesson? You don't need to be a pro designer, just smart with AI. I also tried using ChatGPT to do forex analysis. And let's just say ChatGPT is not a magician. I lost like 300 Kenyan shillings testing signals. But even that was worth it, because I learned what works and what's just hype. In total, I made around 1,900 Kenyan shillings that week. Not millions, but real, legit money using ChatGPT. The best part? Zero capital. Just ideas, data, and my brain. So if you've been sleeping on AI, wake up, babe. The hustle just leveled up. Next week in Pretty Hustle Lab, I'm testing AI tools that actually pay you in dollars. If you want to see me test them live, hit subscribe and comment AI Hustle below. Hi, I'm Louisa, a digital marketer by day and your favorite hustle scientist by night. Welcome to the Pretty Hustle Lab, where I test every app, website, and online hustle that claims to make you money, so you don't waste your time. Here, we go beyond the hype. I try real Kenyan apps that promise to pay via Mpesa. I test forex robots, TikTok hustles, survey sites, even the weird ones you see on TikTok ads. I show you what actually pays and what's pure lies. Everything is tested, recorded, and proven inside this lab. So if you're tired of empty promises, fake payment proofs, and digital lies, welcome to the family. Hit that subscribe button, because here, we don't dream about money, we test how to make it.